Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is another part from CPET Physics 2022 solutions. Okay, so I will start from the question number 31, and this question is given by the ratio of intensity at maxima and minima in the interference pattern is 25:9. So what will be the ratio of the widths of the two slits in Young's interference experiment? तो पिला माने मन रही था एठी हम कोन देछि the ratio of intensity at maxima and minima, that means I max to the I minimum. Okay, एठी हमको गिवन देछि and this equals to 25/9. तो Young's double slit experiment रे slit width रे distance केते पचारछि. Okay, that means मन रही तो intensity is directly proportional to width of the two slits. Okay, अच्छा तो फर्स्ट आम पिला माने I1 and I2 एठी सॉल्व करिया. तो ऑलरेडी मु एठी सॉल्व करे देछि आपन को शो करे दोछि मु. So you can see the given, that is okay, I maximum by I minimum equals to root I1 plus root I2 divided by root I1 minus root I2 whole square. मन रहता पिला माने this is the ratio of I maximum to I minimum. Okay, according to the given question, this equals to 25/9. both side it is square root find out कली. Again root over of I1 minus I2 को right side रे multiply कली. तो I will find root over of I1 plus root I2, this equals to 5/3 root I1 minus root I2. तो simply पिला माने को solve करो. I will get that is 2/3 of I1 root I1, this equals to 8/3 of root I2. Okay, after solving this I will get the solution, that is root over of I1 by root over of I2, this equals to 4:1. Therefore squaring both sides. Okay, both sides square पिला माने कले कोन आसियो ना I1 by I2 equals to 16/1. That means as I is proportional to the slit width, that is D, so I1 by I2, okay, is also proportional to D1 by D2. So the ratio also will be in the proportion 16 divided by 1 or 16:1. So here answer will be the option number A, that is 16:1. Next come to the question number 32. The question number is given by for A is called the atomic mass number of the nucleus. The volume of the nucleus is directly proportional to what? Okay, so according to the question we know that the volume is directly proportional to 4/3 or volume equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, as r we know what is the value of r. R is equals to r naught a to the power 1/3. So that means volume is proportional to a to the power 1/3 or a whole cube. Okay, that means the volume is proportional to a. So according to this question, option number D will be the right answer. Now the question number 33 is given by in the neutral atom the electrons are bounded to the nucleus by which kind of forces. तो पिला मान रही थो जेहेतु एठी न्यूक्लियस एठी कांसेप्ट कला तो एटम रे एटॉमिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन रे सेंटर रहला न्यूक्लियस, आउटर साइड रहला इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो एठी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर बाउंड टू द न्यूक्लियस, okay, by the electrostatic force of attraction, because magnetic force of attraction is 0 and gravitational force of attraction is also here not acting. For this case I think electrostatic force will be the force of attraction by which the electrons are bound to the nucleus. बट पिला मन रही था जो फॉर हाइड्रोजन आटम आम कनसेप्ट पढ़ुले से आम नहीं कौन ना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. ओके, एफ ई दिस इक्वल्स टू सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स, दैट इज एफ सी. दिस इज व्हाई द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑर्बिटिंग अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. ओके, बट हियर the attraction is due to this positive and negative charges. So electrostatic force will be the correct answer. Now come to the question number 34. This is also very easy question, and the distribution of energy spectrum of a perfectly black body. तो पिला मन रही तो जोटी भी perfectly black body सुनछो तो black body, that means the correct explanation is given by the Planck. Okay, so आपण माने देखुथिबे this is the ये टाइप गोटे इंटेंसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर्व आसुव और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एनर्जी स्पेक्ट्रम आसुव. सो आंसर विल बी द ऑप्शन नंबर सी. नाउ कम टू द अनदर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, दैट इज 3 blocks P, Q and R of the same material and same mass are showing blue, yellow and red by showing temperatures T1, T2 and T3. दैट मीन्स पिलाମାନେ देखो ଏଠି କ'ଣ ଦେଇଛି, व्हाट आर द टेम्परेचर्स. देखो ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ନେଉଛି କ'ଣ ବ୍ଲୁ କଲର୍ ପାଇଁ ଟେମ୍ପରେଚର୍ ହେଉଛି T1. ଦେନ୍ here the color is yellow, for this the temperature is T2, and then the color is red and for this the temperature is T3. Okay, अच्छा पिला माने आमे जानछि कोन सी पचारछि चूज द करेक्ट ट्रेंड ऑफ द टेम्परेचर तो आमको टेम्परेचर करेक्ट ऑर्डर ये आम चूज करवा अच्छा ये आम जा वाइन्स law that is lambda t okay lambda maximum t equals to constant that means lambda is inversely proportional to temperature तो ये टेम्परेचर ऑर्डर आमको दरकार फास्ट लैम्बडार ऑर्डर ये आम फाइंड आउट कर तो पे वी नो दैट हियर what is the temperature what is the wavelength order for these three ranges okay as we know that for red color the wavelength lambda red is greater than that of the yellow okay that is lambda r and then the order will be blue that is lambda b as lambda is inversely proportional to temperature so what will be the correct order for the temperature here the temperature will be okay for blue this is T1 and then this is for yellow color and the yellow color that is T2 and then the order that is red color the temperature should be T3 so T1 greater than T2 greater than T3 will be the correct answer so according to this according to the question number 35 the answer will be option number B. Now come to the question number 36. The angle between the axis of a polarizer and analyzer is 60 degree. At what percentage the intensity of light will decrease after passing through the analyzer? तो पिला मन मन रहता this is from Malus law. Okay, तो Malus law रो एठी हमें intensity द formula हमें find out करें. तो मन रहता एठी केमती होची? Actually this is an unpolarized light. Okay, unpolarized light. तो unpolarized light when passes through the polarizer at first. Okay. तो ये अनपोलराइज लाइट कौन हुए पोलराइज हम बाय पासिंग थ्रू पोलराइजर तो आफ्टर दिस it will tend to make a certain direction then when it passes through the analyzer okay analyzer suppose it makes an angle theta okay suppose एटी मु प्लान भलार कर दोचे this is the analyzer okay this is the transmission axis and this is the angle the light makes this is called the angle theta because it already question रे देछि कोन ना the axis okay the angle between the axis of the polarizer and analyzer is 60 degree so here this angle is 60 degree so according to Malus law the intensity I equals to I naught cos 60 degree or cos theta sorry cos square theta that means I naught and cos square theta that means cos 60 degree whole square so we know cos 60 what is the value of cos 60 so the answer will be I equals to I naught multiply cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 so 1 by 2 रो पिला माने whole square हो so 1 by 2 रो whole square that means I naught okay I naught divided by 2 whole square 4 so the intensity originally केते थिला पिला माने I naught थिला और I थिला तो sorry initial intensity थिला I naught it reduces to I naught by 4 okay so केते क्वांटिटी रो पिला माने reduce होला I naught by 4 that means I naught minus I naught by 4 divided by I naught multiply 100 okay तो पिला माने सॉल्व करो एठी आंसर कोन आसीबो so this equals to 4 I naught minus I naught that is 3 by 4 into 100 so 24 25 cancel आसे that is equals to 75% but पिला माने देखो एठी ऑलरेडी ऑप्शन रे 75% आंसर नाही so I think एठी ऑप्शन रे किछि चेंजेस आस पर ओके तो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी 75% इज द करेक्ट आंसर तो 75% लाइट एठी इंटेंसिटी डिक्रीज करछि तो जदि क्वेश्चन रे किछि रॉन्ग थाए ताले प्लीज कमेंट डाउन द बिलो बॉक्स next question number 37 the second order maxima in a plane diffraction grating is found to be 30 degree एठी पिला माने देखो डायरेक्टली कोन कोन गिवन देछि this is from the diffraction phenomenon okay grating so what is given theta equals to 30 degree again monochromatic light of wavelength lambda equals to 628 nanometer आ कोन पिला माने देछि the grating element पिला माने एठी कोन तो ऑर्डर होची कोन सेकंड ऑर्डर मैक्सिमा दैट इज व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 2 n इक्वल्स टू 2 तो मन रहितो फार्मूला कोन ग्रेटिंग पई a plus b sin theta this equals to n lambda तो पिला माने ग्रेटिंग एलिमेंट ऑलरेडी जानथिबो सपोज दिस इज एन ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट एटी नंबर ऑफ ओपेक सरफेसेस अछि ओके देयर आर नंबर ऑफ ओपेक सरफेस So what is grating? So this is the arrangement of large number of parallel slits. Okay, arrangement of large number of parallel slits placed close to each other and separated by these, okay, by these opaque spaces or opaque surfaces. This is called the grating. तो एठी a plus b को आमे पिला माने कोन कहते, this is called the grating element. grating element. तो एठी a plus b रो फॉर्मूला केते पचारछि, वैल्यू पुट करी आमे. अच्छा, तो आमे पुट करिया what ना a plus b into sin, एटी कोन आसियो sin 30 degree, angle is 30 degree. This equals to order केते 2 multiply lambda, lambda equals to 628 nanometer. तो from this when we find a plus b, एटी पिला माने sin 30 होछि केते हाफ एटी राइट साइड मल्टीप्लाई हो जिवो, that means 2 into 2 into 628. तो आको पिला माने जे सॉल्व करो. After solving, the answer will be option number D, that is this equals to I think 2.51 nanometer. Okay, 2.51 nanometer. Now the question number 38, the ratio of the maxima to minima of an interference of two coherent sources is found to be 64:1. Again this is from maxima minima question. So here given what, I max to I minimum, okay, I maximum to I minimum, this equals to how much, 64/1. We know that I maximum I minimum can be written in terms of the amplitudes, okay, and this is equals to a1 plus a2 divided by a1 minus a2, okay, minus a2 the whole square. So this equals to 64 divided by 1, that means a1 plus a2 divided by a1 minus a2, this equals to 8 by 1. So a1 minus a2 को पिला माने राइट साइड मल्टीप्लाई करो, कौन आसो ना a1 plus a2, this equals to 8a1 minus 8a2. तो सिंपली पिला माने आपको सॉल्व करो, हम केते पाइबा ना a1 by a2, okay, so this equals to 9/7. The answer will be the ratio of their amplitudes. So this equals to 9/7. Option number C will be the correct answer. Next, 39 number, appearance of diffraction color in oil film floating on the surface of the water is due to this. The simple pila mane, this is for the interference pattern. Okay, this is for the process, the phenomenon is called interference. The interference कौन pila mane, actually there are two type of interference. One is called thick film, okay, thick film, thick film, and another one is called thin film interference. So it is जो phenomenon होचे, that is the color, okay, appearance of color in the oil film floating on the surface of the water. This is the example of thin film interference pattern. So option number A will be the correct. Next, what is the phase difference between 2 points on a wave front? तो मन रही था प्लान है wave front रे सब वाले कौन होगा, point difference, phase difference between two wave front is always 0 degree. That means they are in equal phase with each other. They are in equal phase with each other. So एठी source of light अच्छे पिला माने, okay, source of light is एठू जो तो wave front माने release होती, तो at every point, okay, this is the locus of the point where the phase difference between the 2 points is 0 or they have same phase. They are in the same phase. So option number C will be the correct answer. Again, this is from the Brewster's law. This is very easy answer solution. The Brewster's law, the refractive index can be expressed as the refractive index apply on formula कौन था, mu equals to 10 IP, where 10 IP is called Brewster angle. ला पिला मान बाई था इटी गोटे सरफेस अच्छी, सरफेस लाइट किसी इंसिडेंट हुए, तो इंसिडेंट होला पर किसी रिफ्लेक्ट हो एंड किसी कंपोनेंट रिफ्रैक्ट हो. तो whenever the angle between the reflected ray and refracted ray is 90 degree, okay, then the angle it makes, okay, the angle of incidence, the angle of incidence is called the Brewster angle, and this is given by the formula mu equals to 10 IP. The answer option number C will be the correct answer. So this was for it. Okay, now we will end this session, and in the next video we will discuss the rest of the questions. Thank you.